Top of the day. Mark Ivanko here, Principal Engineer, CEO of BRUNS-PAK. Today, we're going to be talking about energy conservation measures and carbon footprint optimization strategies associated with data centers. The challenge. The data center industry is being challenged to reduce its carbon footprint by 2030. It is estimated that data centers account for 2% of the overall worldwide electrical demand currently. This equates to about 2.5 to 3.7% of global carbon dioxide emissions, which, by the way, in comparison, the commercial aviation industry is estimated at 3.5%. So you can see this is an incredible challenge associated with data centers. What's been the activity? Google, along with 5 of the hyperscalers, are now taking a leadership position in carbon neutrality. 24/7 carbon-free energy by 2030, as stated by Google. Companies are focusing on renewable data center energy sources including wind, solar, geothermal, hydroelectricity. This is going to dominate in the years coming forward. Water conservation planning is becoming more critical in data center heat rejection planning. Water is a commodity that's being severely restricted, and planning to go and dissipate the heat without utilization of cooling tower water is becoming more and more critical. High-performance compute and artificial intelligence data centers are actually increasing the electrical demand. As we've seen recently, the graphic processing units versus the central processing units has exploded. Data center operating temperatures are increasing. Utilizing outside ambient temperatures is becoming more and more critical. Why would I pay for cooling when it's 65 degrees Fahrenheit or below outside? Let's talk about the results. Global data centers aim for net zero by 2050. Data center managers are focusing on energy consumption per server, electrical utility source that has renewable energy providers, DCIM measurement tools, data center compute hardware consolidation, remodel of inefficient servers. Renovating an existing building infrastructure has far less carbon dioxide emissions than a ground-up building. It is estimated that a retrofit of an existing building saves about 78% of the carbon dioxide emissions from a ground-up building. This is per line site. Data center CFD models that increase operating temperatures are growing. By the way, forget your classic 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 50% relative humidity. I want to have at least 80-degree inlet temperature with a delta T of 25 degrees. Why not? It's energy efficient. 5 major areas to cut energy and waste. 1. Information technology, including reducing energy consumed IT equipment. Number 2, power infrastructure, including reducing losses from PDUs, UPSs. 3, airflow management, including deploy CFD models and stopping hot-cold aisle mix. 4, HVAC, including optimizing cooling and humidification systems. Number 5, benchmarking data, locating a data center in a sustainable area, training in energy efficiency. Finally, there's actually an alliance out there that is a resource for all you folks. It's called the Clean Energy Buyers Alliance. These people are focused on just what are the green initiatives associated with data centers. BRUNS-PAK has developed a vendor-neutral, total cost of ownership versus best practice versus risk process for energy conservation measures and carbon footprint optimization. We'd certainly like to help.